Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on really fast and show you guys some of my favorite fall palettes that I'll be using a lot this fall, because as you guys know, I'm trying to use up more of what I got, which I think is important. And I got two Colourpop and then two high-end. I was unsure which ones, but I know these are palettes that I will reach for in the fall. There is one that's the same as last year, so sorry. But I got two Colourpop and then two high-end. I'm not sure if they sell which ones of these anymore, but we're getting into it. First things first, I'm going to go with the ABH one, and this is the Jackie Aina palette. And here's what it looks like here. I'm going to also get close for you guys. But it is so pretty. All these tones are just so perfect for fall. They do still have this on ABH's website, and as of today is the 28th. So it's August 28th, and they did have this on sale. And I think this palette's amazing. I think it's so beautiful. I don't think it got enough hype. I really love this palette and highly recommend. And again, it is on sale, but I do feel also probably a lot of people probably have this, but it got so overshadowed with all of ABH's releases at that time, because I believe it was at the same time when they were releasing all their Nervina palettes and all that. And it really just kind of got overshadowed. But this is a perfect fall palette. I'm sure a lot of you guys have this in your collection. Use it for fall. Perfect. This one, I know they actually don't sell this. However, we're going to get into it in a second. It's the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. I plan on using this a lot in the fall. But this is a perfect fall palette. Like, it totally is like just a perfect tone for fall. And I know they don't actually sell this at the moment. However, they have a cinnamon one coming out, which looks very, very similar to this one. Not identical, but very similar, where it looks very, very fall-esque. And I'm sure a lot of people will pick it up, and it will be similar tones. So if you don't have the pumpkin spice, I'm sure you have the gingerbread or something of that sort. These are really good fall colors, which I think a lot of people will either have one of them or they'll be picking up the new one. But perfect type of fall. And also, I love their smelling palettes. I like them, but that's just me. Okay, next, I know I brought this up in last year's favorite fall palettes, but I do really like this palette. It is the Colourpop Good Sport palette, and I'm not sure if they still sell this, but this is a really good palette. I made a few tutorials using this on my channel. I can do more too. If you guys know of any palettes that I have and you guys want a tutorial, or more so even a chit chat, get ready with me to use, just let me know down below. I'm trying to catch up and do what you guys want, so just let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see. But these are perfect tones. Granted, I know I'm using my camera right now for my phone, but sometimes it's just easier when I'm trying to do a quick video for you guys and actually make content than always lugging everything out, getting it all set up, because it takes away some of the time and how much I could do for you guys. So also, I just feel like this is more personal. This is the Colourpop Whatever palette. I don't know if they sell this one anymore either, but if not, then I'm sure that they have palettes that are very similar to these tones. But again, it's very like warm tone, very fall vibe. All these kind of have very similar tones to them. I do like how both the Pumpkin Spice and the Jackie Aina have purple in it, because to me, when I think fall, I also think kind of like those deep purple shades. They have it in here too. I want to show you guys my computer, but they do have them in there as well. But these are palettes that you guys have probably seen me use a lot. I did actually repurchase the Modern Renaissance palette. It is coming. I'll let you guys know when I get it. But that'll be another palette I'll use probably a lot for fall as well. I just don't have it yet. I used up all mine. Like, I messed mine up to the point where it was gross. And so then I ended up decluttering it because it was so beyond the point of usable that I was like, you know what? I saw that it was on sale, so I did buy another one. So obviously I really love that palette. But here's a few. If they're not obtainable enough, let me know, because I'll do another set of a few other ones that I think are really good. But these are ones that I know I plan on using a lot for the fall. And I think, honestly, if you are somebody who's on the beauty space, I'm sure most likely you have one of these or a palette that is very similar to one of these. But definitely let me know what your thoughts are down below, some palettes that you guys are planning on using, and I'd love to know. I'd love to hear about it. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.